Hello children, today we are with the diary entry from the Unit 3 Part A, that is the lesson journey. Okay, firstly let's have a quick look at the pattern to be followed in order to write a diary. That is, firstly imagine yourself to be that person. Next, write how you felt regarding the incident. Then narrate the incident in 2 or 3 sentences. Then write your personal feelings. Later, ask a few questions to yourself or to God with regard to the incident. That is, how you would question yourself at that particular juncture, and give a hopeful ending or conclude with a resolution. Right? Now, today I have chosen the question. The narrator felt extremely guilty for allowing his father to carry his luggage till the bus stop and for making him step down to ask for a pair of shoes. Imagine yourself to be the narrator and attempt a diary entry. So, here after the narrator reached his workplace, he felt extremely bad. He felt extremely guilty for whatever he had done. So, he is reflecting on his actions and he is attempting a diary entry. In that case, how would be the diary entry? Here. Firstly, I have written the date and time to the right hand top corner. Then I have written, Dear Diary, today is an unforgettable day in my life. So this is an unforgettable day because this day is the most out of the way day, that is unexpected day or something that happened which is going on pricking me, which has never happened. So this I cannot forget in my entire life. I had made father to carry the luggage till the bus stop. Though I can carry it for myself, my self-consciousness stopped me from doing so. So it's not that it is beyond or it is the luggage is so heavy that I cannot carry. Though I could do it, what was the reason that I had done? So silly of me. The self-consciousness has stopped me from doing so. I should not have done like this. Father has provided me all that I require right from my childhood, and I am troubling him even now. So right from childhood he has been providing, and this is all the trouble. I have been so much of trouble to him. Now I am adding to his trouble by troubling him even now to carry the luggage. Oh, shame on me. And then how far is it justice? I have done a big mistake. And how about the shoes? Could I not look at his feet and buy him one before he asked? How wicked of me to allow him to come down and ask me for it. These are the personal feelings or the questions that he is asking to himself. And then, did he ever expect me to ask for what I needed? No, he did it himself. Then why couldn't I? Maybe my pride had blinded me. I can never forgive myself for this. How should father have felt? Shame on me. He might have felt quite disappointed to look at me dependent on him. So these are all the personal feelings plus the questions that he is asking to himself. That is the voice, the inner voice speaking to himself. I might have earned them great respect and privilege in the village, but that doesn't mean that I take them for granted. Anyhow, past is past. Now here we conclude with the questioning or the things that are making him feel terrible, very much haunting the feelings, and the feelings which are very much pricking him and letting him down. Now we need to come out of this depression. For that we come to a conclusion wherein we look at the silver lining of the dark cloud. That is, we look at the high hopes which could bring him out. Anyhow, past is past. Let me focus on the future. I will take my parents to regular health checkups. provide them nutritious food, and buy them some warm clothing. So these are all the resolutions that he is coming with, such that in the future he doesn't give them a chance, or he doesn't let them come down to ask for something. Before asking, he need to provide. So this is how we need to write the diary entry of the son if at all we are asked for such a question. Thank you children, thank you for watching. And then one more thing children, after you finish the diary, we need to write here narrator, the writer's name, whoever is writing the diary. At the end we need to write in the right hand corner, bottom corner, we need to write the writer's name. Who is the writer here? Yes, it is a narrator. So we need to write in the right hand bottom corner narrator. So this is how we write a diary. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Thank you.